Small changes to the home can make huge differences to your comfort, mood, and even health. This is because your home is where you spend a large part of your time, and the environment will play a large impact on your life. If you are thinking of making improvements or upgrades in your home, then a foolproof way to do that is by making or buying new furniture. Wood furniture always feel like you are attached with nature and adds the charm, elegance, and sophistication of a space. Its warmth and aspirational appeal enable it to speak to multiple generations. Adding a pleasant environment at your space can be very appealing to your space visitors and more chances your visitors convert as clients. There are several wood decorative pieces you can make and use. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A piece of furniture matters the most when a design is implemented, as furniture brings function to space. Functionality and furniture work together in the space planning phase of interior design. Furniture role is always essential in any space planning. When choosing your furniture, you could play around with the color scheme, but also there are numerous designs available, each providing its own individual theme. Use this chance to get creative by mixing and matching various pieces to create a unique look that truly reflects your business persona. Decorating any part of your home is all about creating a space that's comfortable, welcoming, and warm. Whether you're readying a guest room or updating your master suite, you can give your bedroom the refresh it deserves with cozy bedroom decorating ideas. Similar could be done for your living room or kitchen. Getting new furniture is an easy way to change up the theme or style of your interior design. For example, choosing antique, rustic, or modern furniture will enhance a certain style or interior design theme. If you are constantly feeling bored of the same old environment, then a change of atmosphere is what you need. Buying new furniture is the perfect way to give the place a new face. You can completely reinvent a certain room, or the entire house, in a new ambience and style. Furniture shopping can be a fun activity to shake up your daily routine. It gives you the chance to explore and to take control of your home's interior design. There is a wide assortment of home decor options for every room in your home. Pick up fun and funky decorative home accents like black vase and home accessories for a unique look. Or add an instant focal point with on-trend wall decor. You can try elegant wall arts, picture frames or other wooden decorative pieces to refresh the look of your home or office. The secret to succeeding with your home interior is to choose a theme and build from that. A simple first step is to choose one base color as a foundation, and then add 2 to 3 contrasting colors and materials. It'll narrow down your options, making it easier to know what to look for. Use mood boards to gather inspiration and see how your chosen theme and color scheme work together. Another easy way to really nail your home decoration is to create a gallery wall. By using different pictures, paintings, posters, and wall art, you can create something that is unique. To make sure you get a calm and unified impression, try using frames in the same color, or pictures that follow a certain color scheme. Consider mixing and matching different decor ideas and objects to create your own unique style. An abstract wall clock, quirky cushion covers, dazzling wall mirror, and many more such objects can be placed together to achieve the decor look that you desire. Experiment with empty spaces in the home with standing lamps, accent chairs, and side tables for the extra design detail. The harmony and cohesiveness that a good interior design can achieve is truly understated. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.